Want to watch YouTube videos offline on your PC but don't know the right way to do it? In this video, I'll show you the official methods to download eligible YouTube videos step by step, quickly, safely, and without any confusion. Let's get started. Now, open your preferred web browser on your PC or laptop and go to youtube.com. Chrome or Edge works best for this. Search for and open the video you want to download. Here's a quick heads up. You can only download your own videos or videos you've uploaded. Scroll down just below the video title. If you don't see the download option immediately, click the three dots menu next to the other video options. Here's a common mistake. The download button is hidden under the three dots, so don't stop at the title. Click the download button. Note, an active YouTube Premium subscription is required for official offline downloads, so if you don't have Premium, you won't see this option. If your browser prompts for permission, click Allow. This lets YouTube save the file to your device. Wait a few moments for the download to complete. The button status will change to confirm it is saved for offline viewing.